So if your goal this year is to increase your streams of income or even build more passive wealth or generate an evergreen system that can give you evergreen wealth, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be revealing to you the laziest way possible that you can put in place to create the evergreen wealth that you so desire. And when I mean evergreen wealth, I mean the kind of wealth or the kind of system that will bring you money over and over and over again. So if this video interests you, even if it is just a bit, stay tuned and get relaxed while we dive straight into the video for today. If you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Entrepreneurial Erioluwa, and on this channel, I help you discover, start, grow, and build your businesses. And yes, welcome to the new year. It's a new year. Let me take this time to say Happy New Year to all my viewers. So it is a very good time of the year, okay, to make that goal. And I know that for many of us, our goal for this year is to be better than what we were last year. Now, let me tell you the reality. So if you're thinking working so hard or putting so much effort into this year is the way that you can build more sustainable wealth or even evergreen wealth, then I'm sorry to let you know that that might not be the case. Because the most successful entrepreneurs are taking the laziest, and I mean the laziest but most strategic way to make evergreen wealth right now in 2026. And this channel or this system is what I'm going to be revealing to you right now on this video. So stay tuned, hit the like button and subscribe while we go straight into the laziest way possible to start creating your evergreen wealth, even almost immediately after watching this video. Yeah, so let's get straight to work. So the reality is that a lot of people are actually tired, even though it's a new year, but a lot of people are tired from working so hard. Come to think of it, for how many couple of years have you worked so hard, or have you seen people around you work so hard and still they are not able to build that sustainable or that level of wealth that they so desire? They're not able to build that consistent, evergreen, recurring income that they so desire. Does that not strike a chord with you? Does that not make you pause to think that what really is the problem or what really is the way out? See, the most successful entrepreneurs right now in this new year 2026 are taking the laziest but the most strategic and the most smart or the smartest way possible to build evergreen wealth system. And the reality is that that is what you should be thinking of. So don't get me wrong here, please, okay? When I say the laziest way, I mean there is a system that you can create once and you can use it to generate more and more income over time. Even though you're creating it once, okay, you can plug it and distribute it in different platforms or on different platforms. And that way you can keep generating wealth over and over. And this system exactly is what the most successful entrepreneurs are quietly or silently using. And even though you might have been seeing and observing it, but because they are not teaching you as it is, you might not really realize it. And that is why on this channel we don't gatekeep, we don't keep anything. We make it as practical as possible. And today I'm going to be telling you just what you need to do to start building that, wealth system that will bring you evergreen wealth. Now, the most important thing for you to know is that you already have all that is required of you to create this evergreen wealth. You don't even necessarily need startup capital or huge amount of money to do this, because the reality is that this evergreen wealth system does not even require you having huge capital or startups or funding or whatever capital to do that. The most important things that you need to start right away is number one, your intellectual capital. See, I will keep saying this over and over. You are the one thinking that what you have is not enough. You are the one thinking that what you have is just normal. If you have something special, a skill, a knowledge, or even something like a routine, something very something very unique to you, that is your intellectual capital. That is what you have that you can build on, that you can use to start creating evergreen wealth. And I'm going to explain even further in this video exactly how to use that to create your evergreen wealth, okay? So the first thing you need is that your intellectual capital. Your skill, your routines, your knowledge, your experiences, your interests, they are more powerful than you think. They are more important than you think. Start taking it very seriously now. Once you have your intellectual capital, the next thing you have is your human capital. What makes you different? Your communication style, the way you relay messages, the way that you interpret your own knowledge and make people to understand. That is what makes you unique to yourself. Okay, you need that human capital and also the relationship around you to build your evergreen wealth. And as I said, I'm going to be explaining even further how to turn all this into building evergreen wealth systems, okay? But first, you need to know that your intellectual capital, what exactly it is. Then your human capital is unique to you. And the number three thing is that you need to now have what I call creativity capital. But in this video, I'm going to be calling it artifact capital. So now let me explain it properly, okay? Once you are able to find out what intellectual capital you have, what human capital that is unique to you is, maybe your communication style or how you break down things or how you relate your messages, okay? You need to now find a way to build that into artifacts. What I mean by artifacts is maybe you build it into digital formats like content for YouTube, for Instagram, for different social media and social media platforms. See, the laziest and smartest entrepreneurs are using this system right now. Don't sleep on it. Have you not asked yourself, why is it that a lot of people are now coming onto content creation? It's not because they just want to start doing it, but the reality is that this is what the market is looking for now. And in several of my videos before now, I've told you that you need to identify and validate exactly what the market needs. If you have your intellectual capital, your human capital, you are able to transform it into artifacts like digital products, content, and all that. Then the next thing you need to be looking for is the best or most appropriate distribution platforms. I mean by, what is the best platform for you to put them on? Is it on YouTube as long form content or short form? Is it on Instagram? Is it on TikTok? Or is it even only voice note recording on voice note vault? Or is it even for you to start teaching people as webinar, or even to create an ebook or whatever? You need to find the best distribution channel. And if you're able to identify this, I'm assuring you that you're already building a system to help you build an evergreen wealth solution. What exactly will turn all these things into evergreen wealth? Think with me. If you're able to create one content, let's say on YouTube, you can repurpose it for your other social media platforms. You can repurpose it to create into ebooks. You can create other templates, whatever thing it is. And by using just that one content that you created once, you can generate it into different platforms. You can start making trickles of income, generating trickles of income from all these platforms. And that is what the laziest but the most strategic entrepreneurs are doing now. Using just one content to repurpose and to rebuild evergreen wealth from other systems. I hope you get what I'm trying to tell you. So don't think of working harder or trying to be more, trying to put more pressure on yourself. No. Take on this lazy but very strategic system to build that evergreen wealth that you're so looking at. So how do you even start from now? Like I said, don't underestimate what you have. That your experience, you're thinking doesn't matter. See, some people are already making money from something similar. That's your skill that you think you are used to it. People are already cashing out on it. So why are you sitting back and wasting what you have? Why are you sitting back and working harder when you can actually work smarter, even in the most lazy way possible? You can start generating more passive income. You can build several other sources of passive income or streams of income from just one content. See, you need to be smart as an entrepreneur. Don't sit down still back in 2010 when we're already in 2026. Open your mind, open your heart, and get to work. So the laziest way that the smartest entrepreneurs are using right now to build evergreen wealth is using just one content to repurpose, to make it into several other forms of content that they are generating passive income from gradually. Just one content can give you even up to 10 or more streams of income. Think of that and get on to work with that, all right? So if you are stuck, you don't even know exactly where to start, I have a free guide that can help you to discover the best skill that you can turn now, or the topmost skill that you have, or your experience, your routine, your interest, whatever it is, that you can find out immediately and look at the best possible way to start making it, into making income for you. So that worksheet is a free guide, okay? I titled it Discover Your Perfect Business Blueprint. The link to that worksheet is in the description of this video. Please click on the link in the description of this video and download that free guide, and it will help you to just know the exact skill that you can start monetizing even right away, that you can start working on and start building your own evergreen wealth system from, all right? Don't try to overwork. Don't try to overburden yourself. Be smarter. Be smarter at your work, okay? Be more strategic. That's the most important thing about this video. So if you want to build that evergreen wealth system, I hope that this video has informed you to let you know that it's not by the most hard-working person in this year, okay? But it's the most strategic, even smartest, laziest way possible that you can plug in and start making evergreen wealth. And I hope that this video has really informed you and opened your mind into something you need to get doing. So don't forget to download the free Discover Your Perfect Business Blueprint worksheet, okay? The link is in the description. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And please, this video is just to keep you informed, all right? Do your due diligence for whatever thing that you're starting up. This video is just to educate you. I'm not in any way, giving you a get-rich-quick scheme or something. So do your due diligence, and at the end of it all, you would have reasons to appreciate God, okay? So till I see you again in my next video, watch this next video where I explain even better on how you can start building your business right away.